Hi kids! Welcome to this week's edition of TBC Kids Club. I'm your host, Crafty Aggy. TBC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, crafts, and do-it-yourself activities. If you are a parent, register on the links below and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin, shall we? In this activity, I'll be showing you how to make a TP roll Santa. You will need the following materials: a pair of scissors, glue stick, a tissue roll evening, paper, 2 marker pens, black and red. All these materials can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1, let's make the hat for the Santa. Let's begin by drawing 3 shapes: a circle, a triangle, and a rectangle. Let's start with the circle. Just a small one. I'll do it freehand. Then let's do the triangle. 1 line down, another one going the opposite direction, and one last one joining the 2. So a triangle is a 3-sided figure. Lastly, let's do a thin rectangle. This. Done. So the next step is cutting out these shapes. So I'll first cut out this chunk. So let's start cutting now the circle. Just cutting around the black marking. Go around as you cut so that you get a smooth line. Here is the circle. Next is the triangle. This one should be easy because it's just cutting in 3 different directions in a straight line. Good. And then finally, we have our rectangle. So here are the 3 shapes, and now we want to shade this triangle red. I'll use a marker pen. You can use a red colored pencil or even a red pen or a red crayon, whichever one is available to you. Even watercolors, you can use a red one. So now it's just shading all the way till you fill up the entire triangle with the color red. Done. Now we want to stick these different parts together so that we can complete the hat. So start with a circle, which will go on the sharp edge of the triangle. Here. And the rectangle will go on the bottom. So So I'll glue that edge and then stick this strip right there. So here you go. Step 2, now we want to make eyes for the Santa. So let's make the eyes. I'll show you how to do it. We will start with one circle like this, just freehand, or you can also use a circular template, but a very small one. And then you just fold this strip of paper in half like this. Then take a pair of scissors and cut through the 2 layers of paper. We're doing this so that you can get a pair of equal size of eyes. So let's do the big reveal. There's the first one. There's the second circle. So finally, we're going to draw in pupils for the eyes and just dots. There. This is fine. We're done. These are the eyes. Step 3, let's make a beard for the Santa. So for the beard, we are just going to cut out a wide rectangle. Let me just use a marker pen to show you how wide the rectangle should be. Like this. Then this other end, that. So let's cut it out. Let me show you. Then afterwards, we are going to cut out strips like this, but not all the way till the top bit of it. So we're just making strips, not strips but slits through the rectangle like this. But I'm not going all the way till the end, so you can see they're just ending there. And what I want to do is carve this slit that we've made. So the remaining strips, we'll just carve them gently. Just be very gentle because the marker pen is very fat. We may chop off our strips. We just want to give them a curve. This is enough. Finally, stick all the parts together to complete the Santa. So let's begin by sticking. We'll start with the hat. Just glue the bottom chunk of the hat. Take your TP roll. Stick it there. Move on to the eyes. Stick it here. Other eye. Stick it there. Let's draw a nose, just a dot. We won't need to draw a mouth because the mouth will be covered by the beard, which will be sticking as the last part. So dab some glue to the back side of the beard and stick it here. Like that. So we are assuming that The mouth will be somewhere below this beard. So we can't see it, so we won't need to draw it. So this is it. Your beard, a nose, eyes, and the hat. The Santa is now complete. Don't forget to send in photos of your projects using the hashtag TBC Kids Club to stand a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Now, in the next activity, I'll be showing you how to make a Christmas ornament. You will need the following materials: a black marker pen, glue stick, a pair of scissors, 2 green pieces of paper, and 2 balloons of any color of your choice. All these materials, except for the balloons, can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Fold your paper in half the horizontal way. So, this is how you fold it in half horizontally. Horizontally is just the long side. So, along this edge, just fold it like that in half. Crease this line in the middle, and we're done. Step 2. Draw the following outline and cut it out. So let's start with this sharp end. Just follow my lead. And then finish off like that. Now, let's cut it out. So remember, now we are cutting 2 layers of paper because we had folded our paper in half. So just follow your black outline. Like that. Final cut, and then let's open up this paper to reveal the leaf that we've formed. We want to make another shape like this one, so we'll repeat the last step. Start by folding your paper horizontally in half, like this. Just trace with a marker pen along the edges. Sorry, a little bit above. Just fold your paper down steadily until you're done with making the outline. Like this. We go to the cutting. Cut slowly. Then on to the last stretch, the very last one. So now you can also open up both of your shapes, and this is what you have. Step 3. Fill the balloons with air by blowing into them. So let's start blowing. the big one like that, and then we start letting off air to get to the size that we want. We just want a small oval shaped balloon. Almost there, almost there. Just a bit, yeah, then twist it. You can tie it off like that, just a knot, but I'll be using string. So just cut out a small chunk, then just go round with it and make a knot here. Like that. So here's the first one done. Let's blow up the second balloon. Again, you start with a big one, then you start letting off air till you get to this size. Can even be slightly bigger or smaller. So just leave it like that. Almost the same size. And you go around with the string. Here are the two balloons. So let's just chop off the long ends of the string that are showing. Not all of it, just trimming. Aside so that you can see the two balloons clearly here. Finally, stick all the parts together to complete the project. So let's begin with the two leaves. We are going to glue them to each other at the top, I mean. With this broader shaped edge, not the sharp one. This is the sharp one. Just glue them at an angle like this. Then let's move on to gluing the balloons. And then they'll be glued facing like this. Some glue this other side like this. We'll tuck in this here so that they're not seen. So let's just get some glue, balloon, and see if it can just be hidden there. But they can be showing. No problem with them showing. Just that we want a neat finish. We'll just glue them there. It has refused. Not to worry. Just leave it. This. So this is how it will look like. We are done with the ornament. You can stick it anywhere you want in your room and decorate for the festive season. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Simply upload your photos using the hashtag TBC Kids Club. Remember to subscribe to this channel or click the links below for more details. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. See you all next time. Bye.